In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the correct Google app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So you can download and install Google app either on your Android smartphone or even iPhone. If you are on iPhone, just go look for App Store and search for Google app. However, if you are on Android, in the first place, if you can't see the app, it means the app was not completely uninstalled, but rather it was disabled. We need to find it through Play Store and enable it for us to have the app. This is because Google app is a system app that comes pre-installed on your Android smartphone. So for that, we need to go to Play Store and log in with your Gmail account before you can search for your app. So I just search for Google app like that and then run the search. Here you can see we have our Google app and it indicates it is already installed. However, if I go to my apps, you can see it is nowhere to be seen. That means it was disabled. So to fix this, now go and tap on Google here. To ensure it is the right app, make sure it is from Google LLC. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.5 with over 27 million reviews, and it is one of the mostly used apps. It has over 10 billion downloads. That is a lot. So if you see these details, then you'll know that you have the right Google app. Now to enable or install it, just tap on enable here, and this will make available the latest version of Google app. And now you can see we have an option to open. You can open it from here, or if you go to your apps. Now let's go ahead and confirm if it is available. Now look at that, our Google app is present. So if I open it here, now I can begin to perform searches using my Google app. So that's how you can install the right Google app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.